we did a whole series on this, and this is sort of the hidden secret of YouTube in the business community, you know, because there's so many businesses that want to launch their company and their personal brand on YouTube. That's a great thing to do. Oftentimes, the monetization strategy is I'm going to generate leads that will convert into sales. And this is a good method. Lots of companies do this. This is how I started. But there's also people out there that, you know, maybe work at companies and they're thinking, I want to start a YouTube channel about skateboarding, or, you know, maybe it's gaming. My kids love to game. I really don't care for video games, but they love gaming. They love to record themselves playing video games. Maybe you're a dance instructor and you want to make a dance instructional sort of channel and teach people to dance. You can make money when YouTube plays ads in front of your videos, right? So you go onto YouTube and you type in, you know, how to dance like a ballerina, and a video ad pops up, and maybe it's for, you know, McDonald's, you know, whatever. McDonald's pays a small portion of that fee to advertise to the creator. And when you get thousands of views across hundreds of videos, that can be a very nice income. And we're talking, I know real estate agents that are uploading videos to their channel that generate them leads, but they're also making thousands of dollars a month in residual recurring money because of the money that comes from YouTube. In fact, one of my clients called me today. She has one more house that she has to sell. And after that, her team's going to handle selling, and she's going to focus entirely on the YouTube channel.
That's amazing.
So that's, you know, that's two monetization strategies for you right there, is like, you know, like bringing people back to a product or service. It's very traditional, and it's there. It's definitely a thing. But there's also this monetization strategy where YouTube is paying you to upload videos onto the platform. And this is a really fun place to be, because you upload a video and then within 2 days, you see how much you made on that video. It might be $1.17 when you first get started, right? But then it becomes $5 and say, man, I make $5 a video. You know, pretty soon that becomes $500 a month. And now you have enough money to pay for an editor, which means you could double the amount of videos that you could be uploading and turn that into $1,000 a month.
Yeah.
Now it takes time to do that, but in the meantime, you're generating leads, right? So it all makes sense. So I would recommend those two methods as primary and essential in building a YouTube channel.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link, check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media. Peace.